Hotel number 3, Unity Holiday Resort, Statue of Unity Pithampur. Located in Tiliquata, this budget-friendly resort offers rooms starting from just $18 for today, though prices may vary depending on your travel dates. The resort features 55 air-conditioned rooms with rainfall showers, designer toiletries, free Wi-Fi, and daily housekeeping. Guests can relax by the outdoor pool or stroll through the peaceful garden. Dining options include an on-site restaurant and room service. Additional perks include a 24-hour business center, free valet parking, and tour assistance. Attractions like Children Nutrition Park, Erogia Van, and the Statue of Unity are just a short drive away. If you want to get more information about this hotel, or you want to book hotel with the lowest rates, check the video description and you can find the link. Also, share your thoughts in comment section and like this video. Hotel number 2 is Fortune Statue of Unity, Ekta Nagar, member of ITC Hotels Group in Pithampur. Opened in 2023 and renovated in 2024, this hotel has 119 rooms and sits just minutes away from the Statue of Unity, Ekta Mall, and Children Nutrition Park. The price for today is $36 and may change depending on the date. Guests can enjoy the on-site Rainbow Restaurant, banquet hall, and services like laundry, free parking, and 24-hour front desk support. Rooms are air-conditioned with LED TVs, memory foam beds, free Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms with rainfall showers. To get more information or book this hotel at the lowest rate, check the video description for the link. Also, share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video. Hotel number 1, Ramada Encore by Wyndham Statue of Unity Pithampur. Opened in 2019, this stylish hotel offers 54 rooms with a modern vibe. As part of the globally recognized Ramada brand, it provides high-speed wired and wireless internet, business services, meeting rooms, fitness facilities, and upgraded bath amenities. Some rooms also include access to an on-site restaurant and lounge, while other stays may come with a complimentary continental breakfast. With a focus on comfort and functionality, the hotel makes sure guests can relax while staying productive. The price for today is $41, but keep in mind it can change depending on the date. If you want more information about this hotel or you want to book it with the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video.
Are you tired of spending hours searching for the best flight deals? Well, fret no more. Introducing meticulously.com, your ultimate flight search system powered by artificial intelligence. With meticulously.com, you can sit back and relax as our AI technology scours thousands of airlines and flight booking systems to find you the absolute cheapest flights out there. You can find the link in the video description or just type www.meticulously.com in your browser.